Welcome to another video with www.balconywaterproofing.co.za. As you can see, this is a balcony that we've stripped the tiles. We've also then smoothed it over, called screeding, and this then allows a smooth surface on which to put the membrane. The membrane is a polypropylene. It's alkali resistant. You can't use the white membrane from the hardware store because that white membrane would basically dissolve with the alkalinity of the cement. If you notice, there's a groove running around the edges. This is where we tuck the waterproofing in onto the brick. If you stick the waterproofing onto the paint, it will delaminate, just as we have bubbles and blisters on the paint that delaminate with time, taking the waterproofing with it. You can see we've put in proper outlet sizes here, and these outlet size 110, you can get your hand through that, and then you can bring the waterproofing all the way to the exterior. This is important, to have the water drip off the waterproofing and not marriage the waterproofing at the entrance to the pipe. As you can see, we use a good quality cement, PPC. It's a 42.5. This is the only cement we use to impregnate with the membrane and the cementitious structure. You can see this outlet's also been put in, and again we've got the waterproofing going all the way through the pipe such that the water drips off the waterproofing, not the pipe. Make it a great day and follow some further videos.